guys, hi, welcome to Sister's Desi Kitchen. So today on this episode, we'll actually tell you about how to make some healthy snacks, healthy breakfast snacks out of just your bread. This is like a very simple recipe that we're gonna tell you. And yeah, before you get freaked out, yes, this is Sister's Desi Kitchen, and I'm not a sister. I'm just here to take over the channel for today, and let's get started. So at this point, I'll just show you all the things that we're gonna have for as the ingredient. This is a very basic. We'll start with some bread, as you can see, and just because I'm taking over, I'll let my assistant break the bread. And apart from that, we also need some veggies that's just lying around in your house. Some veggies like onion, some cabbage, carrot, tomato, and capsicum. That's the best that you can do. And if you have some sweet corns, then that's just cherry on top of it. Yeah, it's sweet corn, not it's sweet corn on top of it. Okay, sorry. But anyways, so apart from that, you don't need any other spices. You need pepper, then some salt as per your choice. Then you need some Sooji, and apart from that, we need Amul fresh cream and Amul butter. Let me point it out. Amul is not sponsoring this video, but Amul, if you're looking at it, please sponsor us. And we are using Amul fresh cream and Amul butter for our project. As you can see, this is the Amul fresh cream that we have here. I'll just separate this out from the view. And we'll begin with, oh, I almost forgot. You also need your chopping board. And I'm gonna use two more things today. Some basil and some pasta mix. Just to like garnish it on top, like give it some, impart some flavor to the bread apart from what you have going on. And yeah, and a few basics. You need your stove and obviously a tawa, a knife, and a spatula. Those are like, I don't know, like those are your tools. If you don't have them, you don't own a kitchen, man. But yeah, let's get started. I'll just put up the ingredients around the screen, as you can see. And if you want, you can take a note. Follow with me and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. That will be like a huge support from you guys. And if you want us to make any particular dish of your choice, please put it down on the comment section. guys, thank you for staying towards the end. This was like a 10 minutes healthy breakfast recipe that you can make at your home, and it doesn't even require a lot of ingredients. So yeah, that's all from today's, and yeah, you can also press the bell icon to get notified of our videos as soon as they come out. They're gonna put out some incredibly huge content going forward. So yeah, look at you guys there. Bye bye. Have a good day.